Namaste, myself Nancy Abraham. Welcome to the third episode of Nrittabhyasa. Nritta means dance, Abhyasa means practice. Yes, you heard it right. It's all about Indian dance practice. According to Kama Sutra, one of the ancient Indian texts states that there are 64 art forms or 64 kalas. Art of cooking, art of dancing, art of painting, art of singing, it goes on. So, in a way, everybody is an artist. So, it's our responsibility or duty to identify the art which lies within us and nurture the same. Bharata says that pratibha or talent or sanskriti which is there in everyone. Now, one has to identify the same and nurture the same. Now, what is the process of learning and practicing of an art form? When I mention about art, it could be anything like dancing, singing, painting, it could be anything which is related to Indian art. So there is a process. The first one is anukarana. Anukarana is nothing but an imitation. You try to imitate from your surroundings, you try to imitate from the family, you try to imitate from within. So if you look at any Indian movies, so you could see a lot of people say, oh, that's really a lot of realities in it. So why? Because they are connecting with the life itself. So I must say anukarana is nothing but imitation what is around you or what is within you. And another way I must say something which is totally fantasized like Avatar movie or Lord of the Rings and recently Bahubali. So which is beyond our, what you see in day-to-day life. So it's totally your imagination. So these all are part of imitation. Second one is Aupadeshika. Aupadeshika is nothing but you get a proper training and with its techniques. Now for example, somebody want to learn dance. So they goes to a guru and they try to learn from namaskara, how to hold your hand, how to hold your body, how to hold your feet. So the proper techniques of that particular art form. So that's called as Aupadeshika. And the third one is something called Abhyasa. Abhyasa is a practice, a continuous practice. So you contemplate on the subject, you go with every day by day, you practice, you improve. You become a pioneer in the field. So Abhyasa is very important to learn and practice in any art forms. Then the last but nothing, it is called as Anusandhan. Anusandhan is something, it's a creativity. You learn the proper technique, you practice every day. Now it's your creativity or your production or your work, the little work which you exhibit or present to the people in such a way that it's totally your idea with whatever you perceived from your surroundings and went through a techniques of, went through a learning and went through a practice and then you finally you come up with your productions. That is called as Anusandhan. It's your baby, it's your production, it's your creation. Anusandhan is a creation. So you go through a lot of anukarana, which is imitation. Then you go through Aupadeshika, which is a training. And the third one is you practice, which is Abhyasa. Then with the culmination of everything, you try to produce something by yourself. The creativity. It could be a choreography of a dance, it could be a composing of a music, it could be you can paint something, maybe a production of a movie. So it could be anything. So it's a creation. Creation is something which you present to your connoisseurs. So Anusandhan is the culmination or the last step of the learning process or a practicing of any art forms, wherein you are confident to present yourself in front of the people. So that is Anusandhan. So I repeat once again, Anukarana, Aupadeshika, Abhyasa and Anusandhan. are depicted in the 10th chapter of Natya Shastra. Now, Bhuchari is something in which feet involve strong affinity with the ground. Let me walk you through Bhucharis. Fifth Bhuchari is Chashagati. Chasha Gati Chasha Gati. Fifth Bhuchari is a Chashagati. Chashagati Chashagati. Next Bhuchari is Vichava. You have to sit in Aramandi and come to your Agratala. Vichavacha Tathapara. Vichavacha Tathapara. Sixth Bhuchari is Vichava. It goes like this. Vichavacha Tathapara. Vichavacha Tathapara. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now if you have missed out my previous video, link is in the description box. Kindly do watch, share and subscribe. Thank you.